Hi and welcome to Home Care Today. I'm Rick Ferrante of Home Care Services. If you have a senior or someone else that might need some assistance in their home, you might also want to know about some local events, information, classes, workshop seminars, and resources right here in our area. And that's why Home Care Services has produced this program. And here's what's going on in and around Santa Clarita Valley today, Monday, January 15th. Over at the Senior Center, it's Canasta. Yeah, it's a card game. It's going on 1 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. at the Senior Center in room A6. It's a game, a card game, resembling Rummy, using 2 packs. It is usually played by 2 pairs of partners, and the aim is to collect sets or melds of cards. Sounds like fun? It's over at the Senior Center. And also at the Senior Center, from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m., they're going to have the Silver Tone Singers performing a lot of our favorites. So go check that out today. Also today, over at the Education Center at Henry Mayo Fitness and Health, it's Practice Not Mindfulness, and this is tonight, the 15th, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Mindfulness is the awareness and acceptance of your thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and the environment in the present moment. It can promote overall health and well-being and maximize your everyday life with improvements in stress, sleep, pain, eating habits, self-esteem, and more. Through a guided mindfulness meditation practice and brief discussion, we will explore various mindful practices that can be applied to your day-to-day life. Chairs and supportive mats, blankets, and cushions, all provided. If you have a preference, you may bring your own cushion or mat. The Community Education Center is over on Town Center Drive, and this class is free and open to the community. Please go and register online. Also at the Education Center, Henry Mayo Fitness and Health, at 2 o'clock today to 3:30, it's weight management class. This is a 2-part class. This is the first one. It's Real Solutions for Excellent Health. This class will provide practical guidance for those people seeking to lose weight and maintain weight loss. You will learn principles of behavior modification, self-monitoring, mindful eating, realistic goal setting, and creating a supportive environment. You're going to combat that negative self-talk and low self-confidence. There's going to be loss management guidelines and safe and effective physical activity. This again is a 2-part class. This is the part 1, and it's at the Education Center over on Town Center Drive, and it is free to the community. Also over at the YMCA, Balance and Mobility class. This is again on Monday, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. in the multi-purpose room. Functional exercises designed to improve balance and mobility. And that's over at the YMCA, and that's all happening today. Now for tomorrow, Tuesday the 16th, nothing to do? Come to the library and make something. Crafts for adults. This is the 16th, 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. at the Canyon Country Library in the CC meeting room. Easy do-it-yourself crafts for adults are a fun way to relieve stress and rediscover your creative spark. Supplies are provided. Over at the Senior Center tomorrow is Beginning Tai Chi, taught by Master Alan Wells. It's 8 a.m. to 8:40 a.m. in the dining room. The health benefits of practicing this graceful art from ancient China are endless and include improving balance, circulation, and stress relief. Traditional Yang style is offered in a class for the beginner as well as for the more experienced. Also at the Senior Center, line dancing with Helen Walker. Every Tuesday, 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. in the dining room. What a great way to get some exercise, meet some new friends, and have a lot of fun. And that's it for today. If you're looking for assistance with any kind of care for a senior or someone at home, contact us. We're here to help. Please like and share this post if you find the information valuable. And if you missed any of the program, just visit our Facebook page at Home Care Services Santa Clarita, and please like us. If you have events or information you would like to include, give us a call, contact us, or send us a message. Home Care Services is at 800-808-4777. You can also go to our website, homecaresantaclarita.com. I'm Rick Ferrante of Home Care Services. Please join us again every morning for Home Care Today.